Welcome back to my another video. Today we are going to learn to make location plan in the easiest way. So let's start the video without delay. So first open the Google Chrome. Now here search Google Maps. Now open the Google Maps. Now convert this view into satellite view. Now search the place you want to draw location plan. So I searched FW Fast University. This is our target. So we have to screenshot this. Screenshot. Now after screenshotting this, we have to open AutoCAD. Now here we have to attach this photo. So insert and click on this attach. Now open the recent screenshot, which is this. Open. Okay. Click here. Here we go. Now we have to draw lines along with these roads. So for this, use line command. Draw a line parallel with these roads. Again, line. Here also line. Now after drawing these lines, we have to copy these lines from here. So select all lines and enter copy. CO enter. So copy it. Now after copying, we have to offset these lines so that these lines will convert into roads. So O for offset these lines. O offset through 1 inch, 1 inch. One inch offset on both sides. Now here draw a line, for line, extend these lines. Now again offset, O for offset by 1 inch. Now here we have to trim all the unnecessary lines, so TR double enter. We have to create here roads. This is the junction. Here our required location is inside this junction and at corner of this junction. So this is here. So here will be our plot. So I'll enter. Yellow. So yellow. Yes. Suppose this is our plot. So according to blueprint given, you will get plot here. Now we can delete this. Now after creating this, we have to write here empty text. Right here, plot, yellow tick plot. size 1 inch. Now has this is our plot. Now after showing plot, we have to show north direction. For north direction, we have to press line command, line, and again use multi-text command and write capital N. So increase its size 3 inch. It shows north direction. Now after creating this, we have to mention here name of junction. So for this, draw a circle, C for circle, here double enter. Here we now mention name of this junction. So empty text, specify inside this box. Now write name of junction. Suppose choke A 0.5 inch. Now after mentioning this junction name, we have to mention name of these sites. Suppose in which location these roads are going. So for this, again use multi-text command, specify here point and write empty text, write way to suppose x city, or it might be park, any public school, and other known features like bridge, temples, etc. So increase its scale 0.3 inch. We have to copy this. So you copy. Now click on this. It shows direction of this road. Similarly in other roads. So here we have to rotate this. Rotate this along direction of road. And for move it to this. It's done. Similarly, we have to show name of features along these roads and delete this. Delete. Hence, in this way, we can create location plan. It's easiest way using Google Map. So this is the process to draw location plan, which is useful for submitting in municipality for approval.